Hi, welcome back. So I just posted this on Google Classroom for you. It's a little helpful chart. You need to meet both of these criteria for having no solution or infinitely many solutions, just so you know. So I'm going to move on to Smartscore of about 49. That's apparently the next level. So Smartscore. And they tell me they want no solutions for the equation, and they give me negative 2x minus 12 equals 5x minus 3 plus box x. All right, so here's the reason that this is harder. Normally, we would just say, oh, whatever the box is, it's got to be like matching the other side, so I'll just put a negative 2. The problem here is that it's actually not a simplified kind of equation. And this gets kind of interesting. So I recommend that you say, how do I think is going to be the easiest way for you to do this? Because I can think of a couple ways. So, maybe the best way for you guys is going to be a little bit of problem solving. Maybe this is something that it's not going to be a good idea to show work. So if you have negative 2 and you need to add a number to 5 to get negative 2, what are you going to put? What plus 5 is negative 2? So you don't have to write out this equation, but basically I'm asking myself, what plus 5 would give me negative 2? Or you could say, you could put it as a box. This is a much easier equation to look at. I would have to, if I needed to solve it, I couldn't figure it out in my head, I would do minus 5 on both sides, and I get negative 7 equals what is in the box. So that means that I need a negative 7 in the box to get that to be no solutions, because that's how I get the variables to cancel out. So let me just show you really fast. If I had the negative 2x minus 12 equals 5x minus 3 minus 7x. Okay, I need to simplify this before I can solve it. So I have 5x and negative 7x. When I simplify those, that's what gives me the negative 2x minus 12 equals negative 2x minus 3. And that is where these two would cancel out. Okay? Cool. This is the next one. Okay, they want infinitely many. That's what that says. Box x plus 13 equals negative 2x plus 13 plus 6x. So these ones are nice because even if you're not reading wrong, like when they have the 13s, you know it's going to be infinitely many solutions. I hope you forget what I just said because it's not helpful at all, okay? Ignore that. Don't go back. Okay, here's what I'm dealing with here. I have the box with my x, okay, like that. And I need it to cancel out on the other side. Now, on the other side, the challenging part is that I have a negative 2x, but I also have a 6x. This is actually going to be easier than the other problem, so I'm pretty excited about that. What do we need to do? We need to simplify if at all possible. The last one we actually couldn't simplify. This one we'll be able to. So I can say box x plus 13 equals, and then I can combine like terms, combine, and I get 4x plus 13. All right, well, if I need my variable to cancel out on both sides, what does my box have to be? That's right, it's got to be 4. Okay? submit this one. See what the next question is. That's like not even, okay. I'm gonna jump a level. All right, now I'm at 75. They want no solutions. And they give me box x minus 18 equals 3x minus 19 minus x. Okay, this is the same kind of deal. Got my box, and it's multiplied by my x, so it's gonna need to cancel out, right? So then I've got 3x over here, but then I have to scan the rest of it, and I say, oh, there's another x over on this side. I need to simplify aka combine like terms if possible. Please remember, you may not move things across that equal sign when you're combining like terms. Do not do that. All right, so box x minus 18 is going to be equal to, now I have 3x minus x. Something that is challenging in math, and I think I have a resource that might help with this, is that's a -1. So I have 3x minus 1x, which would give me 2x minus 19. Okay, now I just have my same old story here. There's the box x and the 2x, so that means that in my box would have to be a 2. Ooh, okay. This one's tricky. You can handle it though, for sure. All right, I gotta do a new page. So this one takes me to 78, and I'm sure that it is really frustrating to get this problem and get it wrong. So let's see how we get it right. So they want us to give no solutions, but I don't know if you've noticed, it honestly generally doesn't matter that much, okay? When you have the box attached to the variable, okay? So what I need to do is I need to go through this like I'm solving the equation. I need to simplify, just like I did last time, simplify. That's why we made such a big deal out of it before. I made this like really close to the top, but what I need to do is distribute. Okay, so I'm gonna start drawing these arcs one by one. So 3 times negative x would give me negative 3x, because that's like a negative 1x, all right? And then I also get 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12, equals box x minus 16. Everything comes down, okay? Now that I've distributed, I have a simplified form, and I just have the one variable on that side and the one variable on this side, and I go and I do my normal stuff. It's negative 3x. So negative 3, and I hit submit, and I get to 81. Woo! So the distributive property ones are difficult, but you can do it, okay? Just remember, you've got to simplify stuff. All right, good job. Let me know if you have any more questions. I hope this helps. I'm going to do the other IXL next. Okay, bye.